Uh-oh.
Hi, Easton.
Your daddy.
Oh.
It's got a big snot bubble. Look at daddy. Oh. Hey. Look at. Uh-oh. You like mommy's glasses? He likes to wear them. I think it's so funny.
Hi there.
Hi. Hi. Uh-oh.
Oh.
Oh. Here, we'll put him back on. I know you like him.
Hi, Easton. Hey.